I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. After a couple of nice days, here we go again. More rain on the way for Friday. It's been a wet April. Rainfall is running above average, so showers likely at times, some heavy rain and even some thunderstorms by Friday evening and Friday night. Let's take a look at the high temps today. Yesterday we topped out in the upper 60s, even low 70s. It was seasonably cool today, or cooler. Made it to 60 in Providence, 68 in Taunton. Now, yesterday, places like Newport and even Westerly, I know Westerly yesterday topped out at 71. Had more of a sea breeze this afternoon, and some clouds rolled in late in the day, so the net result was a cooler day, but nice, but cooler along the South Shore. You see that the clouds have been streaming in now the last several hours. Not much going on. Looks like a few sprinkles just off to our south. The better part of the night should be dry, but as we get towards daybreak, we'll start to see some fog and even a few sprinkles. We can widen out the view. And the moisture that we're watching, you see it there out towards the Great Lakes, upstate New York, Pennsylvania, and the Ohio Valley. So that precipitation headed our way for Friday, both during the morning and afternoon, and even on Friday night. So that's what it looks like right now. Let's take it into the future. So switch this over to future mode and watch the time bar up on top. And here we are tomorrow morning at around 10 a.m. We've got showers, some drizzle, some fog. And then through the afternoon hours, that precipitation continues to work through. And then watch what happens. We get towards 10, 11 o'clock at night. And you start to see more of these colors of orange and red. So Friday evening, Friday night, these are actually some downpours and maybe even some thunderstorms. So another heavy dose of rain. So it's essentially light during the day. As we get towards late afternoon, Friday evening, Friday night, some of this precipitation becoming heavier. Okay, we can get a more detailed look at this, a kind of a close-up look. And we're starting off overnight, and you can see clouds, temps in the 40s. Now this is tomorrow morning. At Friday morning at 8 a.m., it's just light showers, some drizzle, some clouds, cool temperatures. And we still get these speckles of green during the afternoon, which indicates, of course, rain showers. This is about 3 o'clock. And let's advance this to 6 o'clock in the evening for the evening commute. Temps are in the low to mid-50s. Showers, damp roads. Now watch what happens by 11 o'clock Friday night. See that red and yellow and orange, downpours and thunderstorms. And take note, it's a cool day tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, but look at the temperature jump by 11 o'clock. So ironically, the warmest or the mildest part of Friday is actually later on Friday night. So here's how it breaks down for tomorrow morning. Kind of cool and damp with showers and some drizzle. Temps in the lower 50s. And then we move ahead to your Friday afternoon. Excuse me, that's the allergies kicking in. Showers likely, temps in the 50s. Even it could be a late day, heavier thunderstorm by Friday evening and Friday night. You're asking yourself, what about the weekend? Can we get rid of this? Well, kind of yes and no. I think a better part of Saturday is dry, but it's a windy and cool day. So windy, gusty conditions, cooler. Skies will be partly to mostly cloudy. A brief isolated shower, but a mainly dry day. It's the kind of setup we have that if we catch a couple of hours worth of sunshine, the clouds are going to take over. Some instability clouds, they'll tend to fill back in the afternoon. So kind of cool, but there'll be many hours where it's actually dry. And then we get to Sunday, which right now looks like a half and half day. Upper 50s to near 60. The Imagine Walk in Goddard Park Sunday morning, I believe it starts at 9 a.m. to benefit the Autism Project. That walk looks dry. We'll start off with a little sun early in the morning, then clouding up throughout the day. And we're thinking the showers should wait until probably afternoon, or certainly mid to late afternoon, and into Sunday evening. And then we're back to sunshine on Monday with a temperature near 60. So grab the umbrellas for Friday, really the entire day and Friday night. Most of your Saturday looks dry, just a brief spot shower here and there, but kind of windy and cool. And then Sunday is kind of a half and half day, dry in the morning, some showers returning in the afternoon. So that's the latest. Of course, check back with me on Eyewitness News tonight and check in with meteorologist Michelle Muscatello in the morning for your updated forecast. Thanks for logging in to Weather Now, and we'll talk to you soon.